Hello viewers, let's continue our GATE series, and now we have to solve one more question which has already come in GATE 20. So the question is given: the pre-order traversal in binary search tree is 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16 and 19. Okay, so which one of the following is post-order traversal? Okay, so in this question there is given a pre-order traversal pre-order pre-order of BST is given is 15, 10, 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16 and 19. Okay, so the pre-order traversal of BST is given 15, 10, 12, 11, 20, 18, 16 and 19. Okay, and we have to find the post-order traversal. Okay, so the post-order traversal we have to find. Okay, so what is the pre-order? We have already learned that pre-order is basically first you have to print root, then left and then right. Okay, so this is the sequence of pre-order. So the first is given root and then left and then right. Okay, you just have to do find. First you have to draw the tree, so let's draw it. So the tree is first is 15 and then 10. Actually this is BST, so you have to make sure that in BST there is, if the root is there, then the left side should be smaller and the right side is always greater than root. Okay, so it will be greater than root. So 10 is less than, so you just have to move left side, and 12 is also less than, so you just have to move left side. Okay, so 12 will be here, it is greater than 10, so the 12 will be here. And then 11 is less than 12, so 11 will be here, left side of 12. In the same way there is 20 is greater than 15, so the 20 will here. And then here is 18, which is less than 18 is less than 20 and less than 16. 16 is less than 18 and 19 is greater than 18. Okay, so this is the BST. This is the BST. Okay, binary search tree. And then you have to, according to question, you have to find the post order. Okay, post order of BST. So the post order will be first you have to print left, then post left, right, and then at the end you just have to print root. Okay, so let's write the post order of this question. First you have to move to the left. So the left is here 11, and there is no right beside the 12, so the root will be printed, which is 12, and then 10. So this side has been done, and now we have to move right side. So after this you just have to print 16, okay, and then left right is 19, and then root is 18, and for 20 left is 18 but there is no right, so you have to print 18. 18 has been already printed. Then you have to print right, but right is not there, so you have to print root, which is 20. And after the printing of left subtree and right subtree, you just have to print root. Okay, so the root is 15, so you have to print 15 also. Okay, you have to print 15 also. So the pre-order traversal will be 11, 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20 and 15. So you just have to check the option, in which option this post order has been given. So you just have to check it. Okay, so 11, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20 and 15. So option B is correct here. Option B is correct here. So the post order traversal is 11, 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20 and 15. Okay, so option B is correct. So I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.